Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I will be showing you on how to change the PHP version in Xampp. So let's get started. Well, you'll have to understand that changing the PHP in Xampp will require you to do a little bit of configurations before deploying the new PHP version. And to get things heated up, I have already ended my Xampp control session. So just to make sure that the Xampp control session is not running whenever you want to upgrade, then the thing you'll need to do is to know where your Xampp folder is located. For example, mine is located in www, and this is where I have all the files for my Xampp distro. There are two files I'd like you to take keen interest on. These are the Apache file and the PHP file because we want to change the PHP and the Apache file directly. Now, if you're keen enough, I have installed version 8.2. I just want to downgrade that to version 8.0. So what I'll do is to navigate into Friends Apache, and I'll want to download the version of choice. If it's a higher version or a lower version, then you have to come into the Apache Friends area to download this file. And you don't really want to download the .exe file because this will execute directly into your computer. Rather, you'll want to interact with the files that are in there. So what I'll do is allocate the distro I want, probably 8.0.23. Once open, I can select the one that I need. I have this portable 64. This is a zip file. Yes, I need a zip file. I know the portable one. Here is the Xampp Windows, which is 240 MB that I can download. Sometimes you want to download a very earlier version. These are the ones that are active right now during the time of recording this video. So what I will do is to double click on the zip. Remember, it's zip. I also have the installer and give it time to download into my computer. So once the download is complete, I'll have my Xampp Windows 64 and it's compressed. So what I'll do is right click and extract the files here. Once extracted, I'll find the Xampp folder, double click to open. Remember, this is the new file that I have just downloaded. So what I would want to do, I can decide to copy everything in here and do the configurations manually, but my interest being on Apache, I'll just select Apache, and then I will select PHP, and I'll copy that. I'll do right click and then select copy. So what I like to do is to move these two files into my installation of Xampp. So it's installed in local disk C www, and you can tell inside this installation I already have my Apache file and I have a PHP file for the installation. So what I'll do is I will rename this PHP file the destination. So I can call it old or backup depending. I also go to Apache and I'll rename that to Apache old just to keep it backup. Press on enter. I will then paste in the new Apache and PHP files that I have copied in my downloads. So once it's done, I will go now and launch my control panel, Xampp control panel. I'll click on the window key and my Xampp control panel is here. So what I want to do is to start Apache and start MySQL. And so I'll just click on the start on the actions, the Apache. I'll then click on the MySQL start. And now you can tell that if I log in into my Apache admin area and then navigate into my PHP info file, and you can tell that now I have installed and activated my PHP version 8.0.28. And this is a method that you can use to manipulate into any other PHP version of your choice using that specific method that I have showed you. If you'd like to go back into the earlier PHP version that I had installed, which was 8.0, soon stop all the services first, so that it's easy for me to manipulate. Then I'll go to the installation directory where I have installed the file. So my installation is in local disk C www, and you can tell that I still have my old files and the new files that I have incorporated in here. So just push this. The new files that you are using are version 8.0.28. And so to go back to the old version of 8.2, I will select the new files that I had installed already and I'll delete them. That is Apache. I will also delete PHP, the new one, and the old versions that I had already created. What I'll do is just to reactivate them by erasing the old extension. So I'll have it as Apache, not old now. I'll go to PHP. I'll also change that, not old. And once it's done, I'll navigate back into my control panel and I'll click on Apache Start, and then I'll click on MySQL Start. So when I go back into my admin info, I can just refresh this. This is 8.0.28. If I refresh that, you can tell I am now on 8.2.4. Well, that is how you edit PHP in Xampp. And if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next nugget.